Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Bake Your Dreams. And as you all know, we have already started healthy series and we had created that salad, mushroom salad. And now today we are going to make part 2. So today I'm going to create super immunity yogurt with lots of fruit and it has no sugar added. It's super healthy. So guys, first you need fruits obviously, and I'm using blueberries here, fresh blueberries, kiwi and strawberries. Roughly chop all the fruits because we have to cook it. We were always taught that viruses are passed from person to person via hand to face behavior. But if this is true, why do some of us get sick more often than others? It's because some people have very good immunity system and some people doesn't have. So super immunity helps with everything from the colds and flu to cancer also. This is not only about getting through the flu season, it is about living with superior health for the rest of your life. And we can build our immunity by adding super immunity food in our diets. So simply this means we need to eat lots of high nutrient natural plant foods, vegetables, fruits, beans, nuts and seeds. So take a pan and let's cook our fruits on medium to high flame. Now cook this for about 5 to 6 minutes and mash the fruits a bit with a wooden spoon or a rubber spatula. This helps to release the juices and cool down the fruits. Add honey and it is totally optional. I'm adding honey because these fruits are very sour. Our mixture is ready. Now let it get cool at room temperature. I'm using hung curd here and you can make this at home. It's very easy to make and it's just a thick curd. Just take 2 cups of curd, normal homemade curd, and hang it in a muslin cloth for 2 to 3 hours so that its excess water will drain out and it will become hung curd. In easy language, you have to remove all the water from the curd. Now take a bowl and add hung curd in it and beat it with electric beater or whisk, whatever you have. Now I am adding our fruit puree in it and mix it really well until well combined. Guys, berries are the superheroes in disguise and this is the right term. Blueberry and strawberry both are the king of antioxidant and are low in calories but high in nutrients. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of flaxseed powder and flax seeds are high in omega-3 fats. Now I'm gonna add pumpkin seed powder 1 teaspoon. Pumpkin seeds are high in magnesium, antioxidants and fiber. Make this really well and transfer this into piping bag and serve it in any jar or bowl, whatever you have. It is also very healthy for people who have diabetes and for those craving to eat sweet, it is very perfect dessert. Now I'm gonna garnish it with fruits. Keep it in a fridge for around 1 hour to set. So guys, our super immunity fruit yogurt is ready and trust me guys, healthy food can also be tasty and you know the drill. Do subscribe to my channel for more such videos.